Hey, how you guys doing today? It's autotips.ca coming to you with another video. Today we're going to be discussing about a check engine light that came on this 2011 Toyota Matrix P1605. It's more like a lean code, so we got to find out what it is. Usually when you get a code like that, you might get a misfire, idle might go up and down, the car might stall. It was giving all kind of symptoms. So we're gonna show you guys what the code means. I have a scanner hooked up to it. So like I said, it's what looking for is like the 1605 rough idle, you know. So that can be caused by vacuum leak. That's the most obvious thing, is a vacuum leak, but we have to trace it out. That's why we have the smoke tester. If you don't have a smoke tester, there's other ways that you can find out what the leak is. So 1605, that's usually just to find out what it would cost diagnostic wise. You're probably looking about 2 hours or so, unless you're just lucky to kind of stumble into it. But it's a vacuum related. It could be your mass airflow sensor. So the way we're gonna approach this one is, first we're gonna take this cover out. Once you get this cover out, then visually inspect all the vacuum lines, you know, make sure they're not sagging. This one here, so nothing is, this is vacuum lines, this is another vacuum line, sometimes it's the intake. So I'm gonna put a smoke tester, and so hopefully we can see something, you know. So we need to turn the compressor on, make sure this is hooked up. Okay, turn the machine on, see some smoke here. Now we gotta introduce some sort of smoke towards here. This is a good source here. So I have my smoke going through here. We're gonna see what is leaking. You have to move the hoses here and there. Check out for any smoke. Oops. There you go. So yeah, smoking here, man. This hose here is ripped off, as you can tell. Yeah, this goes into your lower intake. So we're gonna try to put this hose, it's all broken here. We can cut it probably here and try to expand it, otherwise have to get one. So yeah, so that's it was definitely a vacuum leak, you know. So that's what really can cause the P1605. It's like a lean code, but it goes far, you know, like you can't drive the car because it will stumble. Like that's what usually it was doing. Let me try to start it just to show you guys how he was acting up, you know. That's how he was acting up. Yep. So just temporarily we're gonna try to see if we can somehow connect that and see if we can make that any difference now. Yeah, definitely the car is running better now, but I said we have to get that. It's like a PCV valve, you know, like, so we have, it goes all the way around and it comes down here. So this is a major air intake leak. That's why it was causing all kind of issues. So hopefully this video you guys found it helpful. Like I said, whenever you have a vacuum related code like P0172 or 74, a lean condition, or 1605, that's another lean condition, always visually inspect these vacuum lines. We checked all these. This is good. Down here, this one. So always look. This is a little bit hard to get to, you know. That's why we needed the smoke tester. If you don't have a smoke tester, you need to have a fat cigar, you know, and just keep popping it, like, you know, blowing it, and hopefully you will be able to figure out, you know. But the smoke tester is definitely a good tool to have. They're not cheap, but we can afford it because we use it for repair and everything. So hopefully you can find this video helpful. We're gonna be bringing you guys fresh videos every week, and hopefully you're doing great, and keep your head up. That COVID-19 is gonna just pass by like everything else. Nothing will will happen, and Auto Tips is here to cheer you guys up and to save you money. Till the next video, peace.